Hey, what's happening, guys? I thought today we would take a look at this guy. The Bell & Howell Worklight 360. I picked this up at the dollar store. Well, Dollar General, not, the $1 store. For $5. Battery operated, requires 4 AA batteries, 600 lumens, fully adjustable. So let's see what's in there. And then we'll take it apart and see what there is to see about it. Do not shine directly into eyes. 3 modes. Press on/off button, turn on both lights. Press again for one light, press again for the other light, press it again to turn off. Okay, I guess you call that 3 modes. Arbitration agreement, your rights. It's a $5 light, I don't really care. All right. When I was a kid going to school, Bell & Howell was the name on all of the projectors and slide projectors and all of that kind of stuff. Gaming. All right, batteries. I doubt it's the same Bell & Howell company. It's probably, one of those large Asian conglomerate companies that has just purchased well-known American names. Whoa. Okay, that is bright. Yes, sir, that is very bright. It feels nice and kind of solid. Plasticky. These gray bits are a little softer. You have almost, kind of a rubber feeling. Looks like they got Torx bits in there. Maybe Allen heads. Now, if we take a really close look here at the COBs, you can get in there and see better. Oops, sorry, bumped that. I'm seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Looks like individuals in each one, so 40 individual chips. The ratcheting mechanism does not feel all that solid. I mean, it holds its place well now, but I doubt that with any serious continued use that it would last. Just trying to look at some of the different ways you could set this thing. That's interesting. You could have 180 degrees of light. All right, let's take it apart. All right, there's a lot of screws in here. I'm going to start with these Phillips screws here. I don't know exactly how many screws I'm going to have to take out to completely disassemble this, but We will find out. So today is my son's 17th birthday. Happy birthday to Blake. We celebrated his birthday yesterday because, you know, today is a school day. Alright, I guess we're going to take these ones out too. So we need some bits. We'll use this little driver set sent in by my friend Respawn Restricted. And hopefully we have the right size here. Too big. Too small. Nope. One moment, please. Have to break out the Weehaw drivers. Maybe. Let's see if one of these guys fit. No. No. All right, have to try another set. Found it. It is a T2.5. That is from my guitar tools. Yeah, man. All right. I shall loosen many screws now. None of these are even close to being tight. They're just there. Yep, got them all out. So where are we at now? Push all these screws out of here. Now maybe we can get it open. Now? Feels like we're close. But there's maybe something down in there that wants to come out too. There's a Phillips down in there. Get those guys out. And I think we got it now. Yes, we do. So there's the upper case. And here is the lower case. We've got our two COBs that are on aluminum circuit boards for heat dissipation. And then we have a small circuit board here with the battery. Let's come down here and take a look. All right, so here we are. We've got our power coming in from the batteries via these black and red cables. They go there and there. So we've got grounds here on the outside, And on this side, the ground is coming to this point. There's our switch contacts. We've got a diode here in the middle. We've got a little microprocessor. And then we have a transistor with a couple of resistors on either side to switch the COBs on and off. Pretty simple. Just look at a tiny little circuit board. Let me zoom in there for you. Nothing on the other side but the switch. Neat. Let's see what it takes to power up one of those COBs. Okay, what I'll do here is I will cut this positive wire, go into the COB. I'll strip a little bit. And we'll hook it to the meter, which is in current mode, or will be in a second. And we'll see what kind of current this draws when it's on. That's backwards, Paul. Don't be backwards. So we'll put the meter in milliamps mode and power it up. Why did it not go? Huh. That's interesting. Turn it back on. Yeah, it lights up that way just fine. Doesn't want to light up. What's going through here? What is up with that? Alright. Put it in full on amp mode. That is too strange. Huh. Alright, hold on. Well, if I hook the meter up right, it would work. We're getting 10.8, we'll call it 11 milliamps. Interesting. I have the common in the sometimes I'm an idiot, but usually I can figure my idiotness out and straighten it out. So yeah, get about 11 milliamps out of that when we have them both on. Let's see if there's any difference with one. Yeah, look at that. Going up to 20 milliamps for one. Neat. All right, let's see what it takes just to light one of them. We'll hook it up to the power supply. Now we're using 4 AA batteries, so that gives us a nominal, what, 6 volts, give or take. All right, I got the power supply over here. Let me see if I can move you over here so you can see it. Hang on. All right, we got 1 volt, 40 milliamp limit. Power's on. We got no light out of the COB. Oh, get it back up there. No light out of the COB. 2 volts. Nothing. Oh, 3 volts and we're on. 2.61 volts seems to be about the low point, and it's current limited right there at 40 milliamps. Let's see what we have here. 50, 60, 70. So it gets pretty bright. We're up to almost 3 volts, and it's current limited at almost a half an amp. So yeah, those are some nice little COB lights. I like them. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching this today, checking this out with me. Hope you enjoy your day. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll give me a thumbs up. Feel free to comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Big thanks to all the patrons, and a big thanks to you guys for watching. That's it. I'm out. Peace.